Welcome back to 23rd Garage. Hope you guys are having a Merry Christmas. Today we are on the M3. We have a couple of small things we need to do on the M3, like put the seatbelts in, put the module in. What else we got going on?
Just gotta put the interior together, yeah.
Basically the whole interior. The only thing that we won't be able to install today is going to be the front door panels. So let's go see what we got. We just need to put these seatbelts in, put the buckles onto the seats, you know, button up this plastic right here, reinstall the airbag module. These seatbelts, we sent them to Safety Restore. That is who does all our SRS seatbelts modules. We get pigtails from them too. And I think Nate says something about they can actually change the belts.
Yeah, they can do belt colors and all and whatnot.
Oh really?
Yeah.
So like if you have a seatbelt that is like frayed real bad on the edges, or maybe something's messed up, or maybe it's the wrong color, or just it's real bad and moldy, I don't know, you can send it to Safety Restore and they can replace that for you. They don't just do SRS. I think they can rebuild anything to do with a seatbelt. So
yeah, if you want to have like even just customize a good seatbelt.
So yeah, safetyrestore.com. So we'll get these on, and hopefully everything will turn off. We won't have no SRS lights, and hopefully everything will be good. And you got to be careful with this. When you're plugging these in, always plug them in from the sides, and always make sure that the center clip is out, because you'll never get it on there. And another thing is, always make sure you lock it in, because if you plug it in and you don't lock it in, it will short out this wire. Every time you pull this clip out, it shorts both those wires in there. So if you pop this clip off, even if your airbag is still plugged in, your airbag light will come on. Just food for thought, you know. This is all very new to me. I'm not a very big BMW person, so basically everything I'm doing on this car is my first time, you know. So many different things I know nothing about on this car, but it's a learning experience and I'm enjoying it, and I hope you guys are too. That's called torquing to spec. The good thing V-Tune hooked us up with all kinds of clips. You guys know V-Tune breaks every clip he touches, so he has to have a whole load of them. Okay, stick that through. Make sure that that buckle goes through, and then the one thing I do like about this car is that it doesn't have an adjustable, the seatbelt thing's not adjustable, so it makes it just a little bit easier installing this whole situation right here. Oh, that's absolutely beautiful, sir. Nate got that side buttoned up, and I have to say I am absolutely impressed by his skills, except for whatever's going on right there.
Where at?
Right there. Yeah, I don't know what's going on there. Okay, okay. I stand corrected. Now we're going to go ahead and pop this module in. Let me do this for... Alright guys, my first time ever using the camera.
Where's the nuts at, bro?
Right here. I think these are them. No. Oh man, I see why it's so hard to film, bro. Kudos to you for even putting out the content we've been putting out.
Why do you say that?
Because it's not that easy to film and talk and like look and operate, you know?
Yeah, it's a lot of work.
That's actually a lot of work, bro.
Sometimes I'll be doing work and filming.
Yeah, I know. Like it just takes a lot of focus. This is the guy behind all the editing and filming magic, so go ahead and drop in the comment section below all the gratitude, and just don't give him too much of a big head, then he might start messing up. Guys, I'm probably doing a horrible job filming, so just bear with me. We're working. About to get these seats in. Okay, so there's one more bolt there, 2 more up here, and then we're good to go. Hopefully I won't have to buy a brand new module. I might have to buy a new module. I need to go in and get an extension. All right, Nate, here's what I think we should do. We should pop in, get the seats on real quick.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta go. Very nice. All right. I have great confidence. There we are. Very whack design.
I know, right?
Absolutely whack design on the seatbelt buckle. All right, so we got the interior all put together. There's a couple of things that still have to be put together, like the front door panels. We can't put those on. Obviously, I already told you guys that we don't have the handles painted yet, but it's looking really good. All the seat belts are in, the module is in, the buckles are in, the seats are in, everything's plugged up. We've got the center console all buttoned up. So it's all looking really good. There's just a couple more things that we still have to do before we can actually assemble the entire vehicle. So stay tuned for that, guys. Also, I wanted to show you guys the Altima that we did. Remember, we didn't put the bumper on it? So check it out. We got the bumper on it. It's looking pretty good. He's gonna come pick it up, I think Monday. Looks pretty nice. But that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed the content, hit that like button. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and also comment down below on any tips, advice, or comments, or whatever you just want to say. Just drop it in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.